This is the first year taxpayers will be filling out tax returns under the new tax laws. 22 News reporter Cy Becker explains why hundreds of Western Massachusetts taxpayers will be going to a local university to maximize their income tax credits.
On Tuesday and Thursday afternoons through the middle of April, certified IRS volunteers will help people fill out their tax returns at Western New England University's School of Business. The service is free, with an emphasis on maximizing benefits from tax credits.
People have children, they can get up to $2,000 credit per child on the federal level. And also on Massachusetts, the state's brought in circuit breaker credit for older people.
Western New England University first offered this free tax service last year to families with an annual household income under $55,000. They helped 130 families, but are prepared to help many more with their 2018 taxes. School of Business Associate Dean Janelle Goodnight told 22 News there's so much at stake.
Most people who do their taxes on their own don't necessarily know all the ins and outs and where the loopholes are. And so these are individuals who are trained to help you find the best way to get the most in your return.
Find out how you can make an appointment with an IRS-certified volunteer at the Western New England University School of Business on Tuesday and Thursday afternoons to help you do your taxes. Just log on to our website at wwlp.com. The school anticipates helping hundreds of people. In Springfield, Cy Becker, 22 News.